word from the sponsor of this week's show, Johnson Controls. I've been a Johnson Controls distributor for over 40 years, and I can tell you JCI makes great products, has great people, and great technical support. Not that they really need the technical support all that much. And what I mean by that is that in my experience with Johnson Controls, when they introduce a product into the marketplace, the product just works. We've all had the experience of companies bringing a product into the marketplace without all the bugs being worked out. Sometimes it feels like we're beta testers for these companies, but not so with JCI. In my over 40 years of selling their products, I can't remember ever having a problem with a new product launch. They just won't bring a product out until it's ready. They have a complete portfolio of products from refrigeration controls and chillers to light commercial solutions like Verisys to full-blown building automation control systems, including fire and security. The team at Johnson Controls is innovative, honest, and easy to work with. So next time you're at your local distributor, ask them what Blue can do for you. You'll be happy with what happens next. ABB. So ABB is such a cool company, man. They have so many different products and different product offerings. And most of us know them for variable frequency drives. At least I did. They do a lot of metering, a lot of cool stuff. And obviously the building AI is a really cool product as well. I had a chance to meet Julie Patrone and some of her team at Realcomm Avicon. Good folks. Be sure to check it out. All right, so there you go, man. We're getting ready to hit third quarter. I don't know what you're thinking marketing budget-wise, but if you've got a new product launch, or maybe you just want to give your brand a little bit of a boost, ControlTrends has all kinds of great marketing opportunities now. Whether or not it's sponsoring a commercial, sponsoring one of our newsletters, or running some banner ads. We've got all kinds of packages that sort of fit any budget. If you've got the products, I got the platform. I'll leave a link in the show notes. Pirates throughout history have known that if you want to find treasure, you need two things: a map and a way to get the treasure. And our sponsor this week has both. They know where a $4 billion treasure chest exists, and they know exactly how to get it. In fact, the joke is that we walk right by this treasure chest every day thinking that there's no way to get the treasure. Well, that's until now. Our sponsor this week is Siemens, and they are looking for a few innovative pirates, contractors that want to go on a treasure hunt with them. You see, there are over 6 million rooftop units that are not being properly controlled. This is according to the Department of Energy, and they say that rooftop units account for 60% of all the air conditioning load in the United States, and that each unit is wasting on average between $900 and $3,700 a year in energy. Think about it. So with all the attention around decarbonization and ESG mandates, how long do you think the government is going to let this go on? You might not be thinking about this, but your customers are. And someone's going to help them solve the problem, so why not you? You probably know the reason why this problem exists in the first place. The rooftop market is competitive, and to win on bid day, a bidder could only provide the cheapest form of control, usually a thermostat. So now you know where the treasure is, but how do you get it? You're probably thinking putting a proper control system in for 1 or 2 rooftop units is going to be way too expensive. And in the past it was. But now Siemens has introduced the Siemens Climatic RTU rooftop solution. And it brings all the functionality of a more sophisticated system. You're probably thinking putting a proper control system in for 1 or 2 units is way too expensive. And it has been until now with the introduction of the Climatic RTU from Siemens. This solution brings all the functionality of a more sophisticated and expensive system in an easy to use and cost affordable solution. And with the ESG concerns not going away and people talking about saving energy and indoor air quality being at the forefront of everybody's mind, Siemens has the key to unlock the treasure chest. So what's the catch? Well, the catch is you're going to have to take some action. You're going to have to bring this to your customers and make a sale. The great news is that Siemens and their local distributors are there to help. They can help train your sales staff and your technicians. All you need to do is set up some appointments with your customers and let Siemens help you close the sale. In the meantime, you can just click on the link in the show notes and get more information about this, including a free, no obligation sales kit. The only question you need to ask is, will you be the one telling your customers about this, or will your competitors? Siemens is ready when you are. So raise your hand and hop on the pirate ship. Go get some treasure.
The world of distribution is undergoing an incredible transformation, and if you want to be at the forefront of the change, then you need to join a community that is working towards redefining supply chains. CGNA is that community. By bringing together the best distributors with innovative manufacturers, we are changing the game by finding ways to solve problems, cut costs, and increase market share for our members. As a member of CGNA, you'll have access to exclusive resources, expertise, and knowledge, including access to intermember inventory. As a manufacturer, you have the opportunity to reach over 208 locations with the support of highly trained and motivated CGNA members. Together, we're redefining distribution and creating real value for our customers. So why not be part of something bigger than yourself? Join CGNA and let's ride the waves of change together. Welcome to a world where synergy reigns supreme.